WHS Reporting. As part of the WHS module, you are provided with an out-of-the-box WHS report. This allows users to quickly derive information on reported incidents and licenses. You can access the WHS report through the Explorer sidebar. Simply click on WHS, then WHS Reporting. The Reports page has two tabs, the Incidents tab and the Licenses tab. On the Incidents tab, you can observe the bar chart graphic depicting the number of incidents across 3 status categories. One can also review the number of incidents reported by location. This helps to prioritize focus upon locations where more incidents are occurring. On the Licenses tab, you can visualize the count of licenses issued by type and a month-wise graphic for number of licenses getting expired. Hover your pointer over the bar and the system will display the number in text.